Let's use the blizzard fruit of the all. Okay, let's go. Oh, 5,000. And let's use this. Oh, what is happening to this? Oh, 7,000. Oh my god. 4,000. Okay, very bad. Where is the another enemy? The missing enemy. Where's the missing enemy? Oh, there he is. There he is. Let's use the blizzard domain. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, that's crazy. Let's use this. Let's use the blizzard. Okay, let's use the shuriken. Wait, what? Oh wait, same damage. 2,362 and the blizzard domain. Bam! Wait, what is he doing? Oh man, how crazy that is. Oh man, I just need one enemy. Okay, let's use. Come on, okay. Let's use the blizzard. Okay, towing wing. Where's my way to? Oh man. Let's use the tornado flight. Okay. You can kill the enemies with the tornado flight. But the blizzard domain is crazy. Okay, no enemies. Wait. Please. 7,000 damage. Where's my tornado? But let's kill some people. Blizzard is actually OP.